Okay.
Okay.
Still assure that something, anything, everything. As across.
Okay, so I'm going to make it
About.
above.
Opposite.
Okay, number 7.
But. Another.
Both. Another.
Older. Many. Most. More. Zilta.
Until.
The side. Oh.
Since.
Oh.
Okay, number 10.
No. Now. New.
Known. Okay, thank you, Tram. Let's go see. The Sahara Desert.
Okay. The Sahara Desert is the biggest of 22 deserts and is sometimes called the Sea of Sun. I don't read this.
The temperature?
The temperature can be very high and there is very little water there. But it doesn't rain very.
There's very little water because.
Okay. Teacher, I don't dynamic temperature.
Okay. Temperature is how hot it is.
Okay.
Okay. You want to see it?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Oasis.
An oasis is like a lake in the desert. The water in an oasis comes from rivers between the ground.
Under the ground.
Under. Oh, okay. There are many oases in the Sahara Desert, but people often
have. Okay, when you see two, just remember have to or going to. Okay.
Okay. Travel for many days to find one. Although
life is difficult.
Although life is difficult in the Sahara. A lot of people also
a lot of people
still live there. They move from one place to another to find the water they need and just camels to carry something
to carry
anything.
Everything.
Okay. When they move, camels have luggage feet, which means that they can walk Easily. Teacher, I don't Vietnamese. Zit and zit.
Okay, across. Across.
Okay.
Okay, and opposite.
Okay.
Okay. The rocks and sand, but we say across.
Across.
Yes. Okay.
The rocks and sand. Lots of another
Lots of other
animals and insects live in the Sahara too. Snake, lizards, and spiders. For example, this animal get many mouse up their water from the plants they eat. During the day, small desert animals look for cool caves to sleep in, and other small animals lie down under trees. And did you know that the Sahara is growing every year?
Very good. Well done, Tram. Okay. Let's see. Part 7. Hello, everyone.
I'm having a great time here with Michael. Yesterday, we went to see a football match and I was happy. My team won
5-3.
5-3. It was very exciting. And I spoke to a friend footballer, but I didn't know who he was. Tomorrow we are
remember, have to or going to?
Going to the swimming pool. The swimming pool's outside, but it should be nice because if the weather's good. Are you having a good time at home? I'm coming back on Thursday. See you, Yan, Tom.
Yay! Very good, Tram. Well done. Okay, we've finished all our reading for today. Let me just clear. So I want to review a story. Let's go to the top. I need to just find our story. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay. Can you tell me the story?
Okay. Firstly, the younger boy is playing his drums and make noisy, and his brother is very angry and I don't see.
He is covering his ears. Covering.
And he is covering his ear. Then his brother
is angry and he
is
threw.
angry and throw his drums. He is very surprised and sad. After that, he is younger boy is cried and his brother is very angry. Then his brother give him a new guitar and younger boy is very happy.
Yes.
Finally, younger boy is playing the guitar and makes a big noisy again.
Noise.
Noise. His brother is very angry again.
Yay, Tram. Very nice speaking. Good job. Okay, let's look for the next story. You're going to tell me again. Okay.
Firstly, a woman
gets off the bus.
Okay, a woman get up the bus and
leaves
his bag.
her back.
Her bag. The boy in bus
is trying to tell her,
holding her back and
trying to shout for her.
Trying to help her. Then
the bus drives away.
The right way and the woman is go to police. After that, the woman go to the police and spoke to officer about her back. Furthermore, the woman back the bus and go to the boy's house and find her back.
Well, she goes to her home.
Okay.
The boy is there.
Okay. The boy stand up in front of her house and give her back.
Yay. Okay. He saw her address on the envelope.
Okay.
Okay, let me write it there. Good, Tram. Okay, address.
Okay. I know this.
You know, okay, good. Let's go to our next story.
Okay.
Nearly done today. Okay.
Okay. Firstly, a girl is drawing a picture and her brother is next to girl and writing his homework. Then the boy is watching TV and the girl drawing on his homework. After that, the girl get glue and scissors on the cell down and cut his
Cut out the flowers on his homework.
Cut out the flower on his paper homework. Finally, the boy is very angry and the girl is
happy.
Give him a picture and
okay, yes, very good. Gives him a pretty picture. She is happy.
Okay, yes.
Yes, okay. Last one, then we finish for today, Tram. Last story.
Okay. Firstly, the woman is out home and the girl is make a cake.
Makes
the baby boy is playing its train. Then the girl is bring the cake out and two children woke up.
Okay.
After that, two girls is playing game on the TV and the baby boy is eating cake and
two girls are angry.
No.
The cupcake.
Open the floor.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Furthermore, two girls very angry because the baby boy is eating cake and baby boy is very afraid. Finally, the mom is back home and three children is very happy because the woman is bring a new cake, very big.
Yay! Well done, Tram. Very nice speaking. Okay, good job. I'm very happy with your speaking. Okay, we are finished for today. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Yay, good. Okay, I will see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.